Yeah, no, there's a lot of stuff moving. Yeah, we're getting the car as we speak.
I think we shaved that a bit closer than we need to do. Wow, that was a close shave.
Yeah.
A few more inches, it would have been in yours truly. That was, I think, as close as they come.